In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Zoom webinars with HubSpot. We'll walk through the setup process inside HubSpot so you can connect Zoom and begin managing webinar data more smoothly. This integration is useful because it helps keep your marketing and contact activity aligned, especially if you're using webinars to capture leads and track engagement. To get started, go to your HubSpot account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the main HubSpot dashboard, look for the Marketplace option. This is where HubSpot keeps its available apps and integrations, including Zoom. Click on Marketplace and then choose HubSpot Marketplace. That will open the app directory where you can search for and access integrations that connect with your HubSpot portal. From there, click on Zoom to open the Zoom integration listing. This page gives you access to the setup options and installation controls for connecting the two platforms. Next, click Install. At this point, HubSpot will begin the connection process and prompt you to sign into your Zoom account if needed. Log in with your Zoom credentials, then review the access request carefully. When you're ready, click Authorize or Allow to grant HubSpot permission to access the Zoom data it needs for the integration. This step is important because without authorization, HubSpot won't be able to sync webinar-related information. After the connection is complete, return to the integration area and click on Data Management. This section contains the tools and settings that control how information is handled between Zoom and HubSpot. From there, click on Data Integration. This is where you'll find the options related specifically to syncing data from your Zoom account into HubSpot. Once you're in the data integration section, configure the global webinar settings. These settings determine how webinar data is handled across your account, so take a moment to review them carefully. Depending on your HubSpot setup, this may include decisions about how contacts are created or updated and how webinar engagement information is brought into your CRM. Setting this up properly from the start can save time later and help ensure your reporting stays consistent. After that, your Zoom webinar sync setup is essentially in place. If you plan to use webinars regularly, it's a good idea to double check these settings anytime your process changes, especially if different teams are relying on the data inside HubSpot. That's it. You've now connected Zoom webinars with HubSpot and navigated to the area where webinar sync behavior is managed.